Ağustos 2023. Nevada Eyalet Polisi sarhoş olduğu anlaşılan şüpheli bir aracın yanına yaklaştığında kendilerini tuhaf bir kaosun içinde buldu. Olay, eski sevgilisiyle şiddetli bir kavga eden sarhoş bir kadının erkeği rahatsız etmesi ve daha da şaşırtıcı bir şekilde onun köpeğini çalmasıyla başladı. Kadının hem agresif tavırları hem de kaçmaya çalışması olayları körükledi.
So what happened over there?
I went to go try to talk to him. We were on and off again, boyfriend, girlfriend, and I went up the steps and I knocked on the door. I didn't hear anything. I saw his car. I wasn't sure if he was there. I grabbed the doorknob and I just squeezed it and pushed it. And when I did, he came out and grabbed me and slung me down the stairs. He's never acted like that. He said, "I'm calling the police. You're trespassing." And I'm like, Maverick, Maverick is not even his name. His name is Eric. I'm like, Maverick, I just came over here to talk to you. And I'm like, you just grabbed me and slung me down the stairs. And he did. I mean, people lie all the time. I know that. But like, I went down the stairs and I've got the scrapes and bruises. Here's the thing. I'm not trying to get him in trouble. I was just trying to talk to him.
So he just out of nowhere, you guys have been back and forth, and then today he decided that he doesn't want to speak to you, and he threw you down the stairs.
We have had like text messages and then blocked each other and stuff. So I came here to talk to him, unbeknownst to him.
Okay. Did you ever live here before?
Yes.
Yeah. When did you live here?
Probably a few months ago when he asked me to move in.
But then you agreed and you moved out, and you no longer reside here?
I do not. But he does
No,
have
but 1012 is signal one.
He has cameras all over the property, though.
Have you been drinking?
All over the property.
Have you been drinking at all?
No, sir.
You haven't? How long did y'all live together?
We didn't live together very long, but we've been in a romantic relationship for 2.5 years.
But,
I'm gonna turn that off.
how much do you think, how long do you think roughly that you guys lived together? Like a few weeks or like a few days? Okay.
Move in with me, I love you, I hate you, get out, take all your belongings and get out. It's borderline like schizophrenic type of...
Yeah, not yet. Do you have your ID with you?
Sure.
I can go talk to Eric if you want me to.
I'm on my way out. I'm not coming back. There's not going to be any problems.
That's not what we're concerned about. You smell like booze. You smell like alcohol.
We're not worried about a DUI, but you smell like alcohol and your speech is slurred, so we can't leave you because if you drive off and kill someone, it's going to be on us, okay? So we're going to have to worry about
Is that a
getting
fact?
What?
Do you want us to go down that route? Because he just said he doesn't want to go down the DUI route. We're trying
I
not.
don't.
Okay, so if you want to make it a fact, then we might go that route. Because right now we're just.
Fact. I
Okay.
want to peacefully leave.
And that's an option right
And
now.
I'm going to do whatever you tell me to.
Well, right now, what I want you to do is I want you to sit tight because there's two things. One, we're concerned about the original call, which is you getting thrown off the porch, okay? So I got to make sure that you're okay. But the second thing is public safety, okay? Because I can't have you going and leaving if you have alcohol in your system.
I'll go talk to him real quick.
I can even take you home.
You're
but
saying that you smell alcohol, and I'm going on my speech and stuff.
Look, I'm not trying to make it into a thing. I'm trying to prevent you from getting in trouble from something, okay? Because I don't want to do a DUI investigation. I'm trying to handle the original call for service, which is that, and then after that, we can focus on giving you a ride out of here and getting you home, something like that, okay?
I'm not trying to be a douchebag, but I did get thrown down the stairs.
Well, yeah, and that's what we're trying to figure out, because we got chucked down the stairs, obviously. We're going to go talk with him, and if it's just whatever, we'll get out of here. But just liability-wise, if we have indicators that you may be impaired, I can't legally release you, because if you drive 35 minutes down the road and get in a car wreck, it falls back on me. That's the number one cause of car wrecks in America, so I can't really cut you loose on that. What I want you to do right now is I want you to take the keys out of the ignition, okay? And just hand me the car keys. Now, you can either sit here in your car without the AC, or if you want to sit in my vehicle with the AC going, that's fine too. I don't care either way. I just know it's freaking hot as heck out.
I honestly, I don't have anything to say to you other than I fell in love with a crazy person.
Do you have anyone that can come get you?
I'm not leaving my car here, and if that means I'm going to go to fucking jail, they will.
Well, listen, if you know someone that can come get you in your car, that's one solution. If you want to call a tow, that's another solution. If you want to leave the vehicle here secured, that's another solution.
Apollo! Polo!
What?
Polo!
What are you yelling?
Polo!
Who's Polo? Miss Virginia, who's Polo?
The dog. Polo!
Your dog? Oh,
Polo!
the shepherd?
Polo, come here! Hey!
No, you're good. I just didn't see the dog. I've met him before. He's sweet. And Mr. D, you don't have any weapons on you, right? Like no guns or anything?
I have pepper spray.
That works. Well, all right, just keep it in your bag or wherever you got it.
Diğer polis, kadının erkek arkadaşının evini bulamadığı için geri dönüyor.
Just FYI, she has pepper spray. I have her keys because she started making comments about leaving. Even trying to offer her to give her a ride. She's like, I'm not leaving the car here. If I have to leave my car here, you're going to have to take me. The way the house is, I have to go down and look, but it's like you go down and there's like a driveway that curves.
If you want to try, go ahead, man.
I'll double check it.
I don't think he wants anything to do with us anyway.
Yeah. Hey, Miss Virginia, Deputy in the jail is going to stand by with you. I'll be right back, okay?
What are you doing? Jesus.
No, he's just...
What are you screaming about?
He will try to climb out the window.
Will he answer the phone if you call him?
Who?
Maverick.
I'm not going to call him. Do I have to?
I can't, no, but we're trying to find him and get this over with, and I can't find him on his property.
Can we just go?
No, you are drunk.
Hey, what's up, Mav? Going over hell and high water looking for you, bud. All right, what's going on today, bud?
So, I have an ex-girlfriend from a long time ago.
Virginia?
197, just
Okay.
Long time ago, many girlfriends ago. She is a little bit on the psycho side, a little bit on the, she just won't leave. I have her blocked on social media. I have her blocked on the phone. I have her no trust in this. Okay, so she's been out here before, I believe, with a weapon and told not to come back. So
Okay.
she came over today. She was here probably 45 minutes. She came through this gate, opened it up, came through my other gate, came inside my house. I was hiding kind of inside because I knew it was her. I didn't want any confrontation. I shoved her out.
When you shoved her out of the doorway, is that the only time you guys made contact, or was there any other contact after that?
That's it. And I came out and I was like, go, leave. And then I was on the
But like
phone.
physically, just...
No physical.
Did she fall over when you shoved her?
She went rolling on the grass and stuff.
After you shoved her out, did you exit the house and shut the door behind you, or did you go back inside the house?
I went back inside the house and locked the doors.
Okay. So this gate here, this is the one that she opened it, and this was shut. So she actually opened that gate and came through it, and then she came in and went up to the front door there. Did you guys ever live together?
No.
Okay, because she's saying that y'all like live together.
I have a totally different girlfriend, totally different relationship. I make no email contacts. I answer no phone calls, so that way she can't say, oh, there was something said on the phone verbally.
So she just unannounced.
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, this was intruder, quite frankly.
Well, yeah, that's what I was going to say, because, like, I don't know if you know, like, the domestic laws in Florida, the whole, like, mandatory arrest thing, but to me, it's not really, that doesn't really fit this, because, like, you have a closed gate with a no trespassing sign, and you guys aren't actively dating, so to me, I mean, you defended your property, so to me, I don't see that you did anything criminally wrong.
Intersection of West Circle and Old Highway 90.
You took my keys. The intent to drive is no longer there.
Get over here. You're not free to leave. Stop walking away. Just go sit in your car. We were finishing up the investigation. Go sit down in the car.
Hang on a second.
Go sit down in the car. That's all you have to do. You gotta wait, because we gotta make contact with him. If there's nothing to it, then what do you want me to tell you?
Can I just go in the woods and go eat?
Leave your purse in the car. If you want to do that, then you do that. But I don't.
There's nothing in that purse.
Go put it in your car. I don't want to look in your purse. Then go pee in front of your car, just somewhere where it's not on the camera.
Did you want to, like, pursue charges or anything, or you just want her taken care of? And
I would like for someone to, and even if it could be you or the sergeant, someone to tell her, don't come back here or you will get, because if she has a false sense of entitlement.
I can file an official trespass warning. So it expires in a year, and then if she comes back over, if she's invited, it expires. She'd said there were texts back and forth. I don't know about that. I'm not getting into that. But as of right now, I don't see this being a criminal act on your behalf, because your story and her story are the same. She has a mark from where she got thrown down, but she entered your house and you guys aren't dating, and she said y'all aren't dating. You know, it's the same thing as a divorced person trying to come in somebody's house. So to me, I don't see that she did anything criminally wrong. We're going to figure out a way for her to get home because I think she's drunk, and then get that squared away. I'll do the official trespass warning, and then we're going to figure out something with her. I'm not going to put criminal intent on you because I probably would have done the same thing. So, all right, be safe, boss.
Hey, Drew, if you're still by that guy, can you let him know he's got to come get his German Shepherd? He's by our car and he won't leave.
Nah, he closed the gate up and went back inside. That dog roams around the neighborhood, though. Also, he's friendly. He doesn't bite.
Do you have a ride coming? Virginia, do you have a ride coming?
No, I don't.
What's your plan?
I'm not drunk. What is your plan? To arrest me for a DUI and take me to the sheriff's station?
That's a possibility, yes. That's why I'm trying to get you a ride so you don't have to do that. Don't call me honey.
Is there an option just to leave my car here and walk?
No, because you're going to come back and get it.
I'm not drunk.
We get to smell alcohol on you. Your eyes are bloodshot and watery. You can't comprehend what I'm saying most of the time.
Stories are consistent-ish. He said that they haven't been a thing for several months. It's a fenced-in property with 2 no trespassing signs. She doesn't live there, and apparently, according to him, she would stay for a few days but never live there. She actually went through the no trespassing signs and then went through another gate with no trespassing signs and entered the house, and he shoved her out of the house.
Okay. I told him I'd get a ride as soon as I got back here, and she started to walk off. She's like, the intent's gone. And I'm like, where are you going? I'm like, you're not free to leave. She's like, I have to pee. I'm like, then go pee somewhere off camera. So I wanted my car, so I didn't have to stand out here in the heat. And I was like, what is your plan? And she's like, well, what are you going to take? DUI? I mean, take me to the sheriff's office? I'm like, yeah.
So can you come pick me up on, what is this?
That's my roommate.
If he has 2 people, that's best.
Huh?
If he has 2 people, that's best because
So
we
you
have to
take
have
your
someone
car?
to get the car.
I'll just leave the car.
Miss Virginia, so nothing's happening with the dispute back and forth between y'all. What I'm concerned about is you told me earlier you said you weren't going to leave your car here. And what I'm worried about is you're going to come have your ride take you down the road and then you're going to come back and get inside your vehicle. That's what I'm worried about.
I mean, is there any way I can say that I'll leave it here and then if there's some vandalism to it, which I assume there will be?
I don't know why it would be vandalized. So
I just got shoved down
well, just frankly based on his statements, if anything, you're in the wrong for him, okay? Because you don't have a right to be on that property.
You didn't even make contact with him.
I'm in contact. Yeah, I went and spoke with him, okay?
What was his statement?
You went through a closed gate with a no trespassing sign and then another gate and then went up and opened the door to his house and he defended his property and pushed you back, which he's allowed to do within Florida state law, okay? Because
That's understandable.
So you don't live there, so he's allowed to do that. There's no criminal charges being filed. He actually wants to officially trespass from the property, which you are officially trespassed at this day and time. So you do go back over there. But that's what I'm concerned about is that you're just going to simply come back and get your car. I'm like,
I'm not worried about it. I guess you can patrol.
Here for Singleton earlier. We got a 64.
Lady, we're trying to do you a favor. Like, do you understand that?
I love the fact that y'all are trying to help me. Let me call him and say, bring your mom with you. Bring your mom with you to drive my car.
Last seen wearing a pink shirt.
Is he bringing somebody or no?
Huh?
Is he bringing somebody to take your car?
Take my car?
Is he bringing somebody to take your car?
Oh, he's bringing 2 drivers.
is the second person coming going to drive your car home with you?
He's going to try to get somebody else, yeah.
Okay, so they're going to drive your car home.
I hope so.
Huh?
I hope so.
The officers begin waiting in their squads for Virginia's ride to arrive. However, she has different plans.
Polisler şüpheli kadını gözlem altında tutarken bir anlık dalgınlıkla kadının kaybolduğunu fark etti. Kontrol noktasına gidildiğinde yaşanan şok anı her şeyi değiştirdi. Kadın ortadan yok olmuştu. Ama neyse ki çok uzaklaşamamıştı.
So stop. You're still detained.
You really
Virginia.
want this lawsuit?
Virginia,
You really do?
take a breath. All right, so here's the deal.
There is no deal. I don't have my keys to my car.
Virginia.
There's nothing that says I can't
Virginia,
walk it.
can you please stop and let me talk? Here's the deal. You are detained. You're under the influence of an alcoholic beverage, in my opinion.
Nobody
you
said
Can
that
you stop?
when I became
You
when I
have-
walked.
Do you have an odor of alcohol on your breath? Your actual physical control of the vehicle when we got here, okay? We were trying to give you a break on the DUI investigation. At this point, I'm tired of playing the games. I'm going to do a DUI investigation on you, okay? Are you going to submit the field sobriety task, yes or no?
No, I'm not.
You're not going to submit the field sobriety
Because
task?
you told
Okay.
me as long as I had somebody to come pick me up, as long as I didn't drive, I'm fine.
Yep.
Am I driving a vehicle? Am I attempting to operate a motor vehicle? You guys took my keys, correct?
Yes, ma'am. You're
I'm
still...
walking down the road. What are you going to arrest me for?
Okay, ma'am. Are you going to submit the field sobriety task? Yes.
No, I don't have to.
Yes, ma'am, you do. Because here's
No, I
the...
don't.
Listen, can you take a stop walking? You're going to be placed under arrest for resisting. Stop.
I'm not resisting
All right,
arrest.
it's obstruction.
This is
Stop.
Whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Keep on your back. Take it easy, take it easy.
Yeah, I'm just trying. Put your hands behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back.
Stand by. Stand by.
No, Paul, no.
Stop.
Hey Siri, upload this video to iCloud right now.
I opened the garage.
I don't know why you're making this so hard, Miss Virginia.
I hope your body cam is running.
Yes, ma'am, they both are. They have been running non-stop. All right, stop moving. I gotta adjust these cuffs. Your vehicle is going to be towed to the nearest tow yard. Right now, you're going to be taken to jail for obstruction and suspicion of DUI. We're going to get you up. Going to adjust the handcuffs in just a second.
Oh, I assume you're gonna yank me up by my wrist.
Nope. What I want you to do is I want you to spin around, put one leg underneath your body, and we're going to help you up. Do you need EMS attention? Do you need EMS attention?
No, I don't.
Okay. All right, stand up for me, just like that. All right, just walk to this car over here in front of you. Lean up on the back of the car. All right. Unfortunately, due to the way that you've acted, I can't adjust these. However, they're not too tight, so we're going to have to maintain like that. Do you have anything in your pockets or your bra that's going to poke, stick, or hurt me in any way? All right, let's have a seat in the back of the patrol vehicle here.
Can I spit the sand out
Yeah.
after I was tackled?
All right, let's have a seat in the back of the patrol vehicle here.
Nevada'da bir gece vakti polisler kendilerini tuhaf bir ikilemin içinde buldu. İlk bakışta mağdur olduğu düşünülen sarhoş bir kadın eski sevgilisinin evine izinsiz girdiği iddiasıyla karşı karşıyaydı. Polis kameralarına yansıyan görüntüler olayın ne kadar karmaşık olduğunu gözler önüne seriyordu. Kadının üzerindeki belirgin alkol kokusu, tutarsız ifadeleri ve agresif tavırları durumu basit bir mağduriyet vakası olmaktan çıkarıyordu. Eski erkek arkadaşın mülkümü korudum savunması ve kadının ben saldırıya uğradım iddiası arasında kalan polisler olağanüstü bir sabır ve profesyonellik sergiledi. Ve polis talimatlarını dinlemeyi reddetmesi olayı daha da karmaşık hale getirdi. Virginia yasalarının mülk koruma konusundaki net hükümleri erkeğin savunmasını güçlendirirken kadının alkol etkisindeki davranışları ise onu şüpheli konumuna düşürüyordu. Bu vaka, modern polisliğin en zorlu sınavlarından birini temsil ediyor, gerçek mağduru tespit etmek. Polislerin olay yerinde sergilediği soğukkanlı yaklaşım, yalnızca bir tutuklama değil, aynı zamanda toksik ilişkilerin yarattığı bu karmaşık durumda adaleti sağlama çabasıydı. Mahkeme kararı çıkana kadar herkesin masum sayıldığı bu süreçte, tek bir soru zihinleri kurcalıyor. Gerçek mağdur kimdi?